Yeah, welcome to this video about the integration cockpit. My name is Adam Kivon and I will explain you the how. How is the integration cockpit working? How is it done? How is the approach, and how, which steps are executed during, pulling the information and making them accessible for checks and reporting. So basically, what is the integration cockpit? The integration cockpit is your new home, a central place for all your integrations in the enterprise integration area. And this is where all your interfaces, integrations, whatever, not only APIs, are being managed in a central SaaS solution. Yeah. And basically how it works is that, we typically have applications that are connected through an integration layer over specific technologies and solutions. Sometimes we have only one or two. Sometimes we have to manage more of those. And what we do is we automatically fetch the data. We collect all this information from the integration layer. We process them, we standardize them, we harmonize them, and make them accessible in a central inventory where we can auto-generate documentation and perform reporting and checks, and also feed enterprise architecture management systems. So how is it done? Basically, we have the process of those 6 steps where we collect, transform, enrich, connect, document, and analyze interface information. Yeah? So collect means we are pulling data from the integration layer. Transform means we standardize and harmonize this information. With enrich, you can basically add your own information to those interfaces. Yeah, you can add your properties, tags, whatsoever. In connect, we are combining them until we have like end-to-end integrations. We connect them also with planned initiatives, for example, from your integration assessment or from Jira for now. And we also connect them with existing enterprise architecture management interfaces we have discovered through this collect phase. And then we document them by pushing them towards EAM, pushing them towards Confluence so far. And in the analyze step, we make sure that the interfaces can be reported on. So how does it work in detail, step by step? The collect step is doing this. So basically we have here all the different data sources. It can be an integration data source, like from the integration layer. It can be also a data source like EAM or just a planned data source. So we basically pull this information to put them into a raw data bucket, let's say, where we keep the information in the original, let's say, naming and then structure. From EAM, we push them towards our landscape where we have systems and objects imported from the EAM, but also interfaces are being imported from EAM. Then they end up here in the inventory as an EAM interface, and also planned interfaces we are importing into the inventory as planned interfaces. So that's the collect step where we just, connect with the data sources. The next step is the transformation step. It goes through a mapping step where we map against systems and objects from the landscape, which have been fetched from the EAM, and then push them into the inventory in a standardized and harmonized way. The enrich step allows you to basically add additional information, your own properties, self-defined tags. You can add a description. You can see what interfaces have to be processed or are already good to go. We are connecting the interfaces. A sequence of interfaces is something we call end-to-end integration. This can be also tagged and enriched. We have also the different types of interfaces, integration, EAM, and planned. They are also interconnected and linked. We are documenting them towards EAM, towards DMS, for example, Confluence, and we allow you to analyze them for reporting purposes, checks, robustness, traffic, versioning, whatsoever. So that's the how for the integration cockpit.